teacher.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you well.
Great. I'm sorry about the delay in answering your call. I answered and then my Cambly screen went white. So
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Sometimes I get the problem on Cambly too.
yeah, I think there was an issue because my other things with internet are working fine, so it must be a software
Yeah,
issue.
yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
sorry I was late. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm Emily. It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's really nice to meet you. My name is Jinsy.
Jinsy, right. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm from Vietnam. And you?
Great. I'm from Ireland, but I live in Thailand, so pretty close.
Yeah, yeah, it is. So currently you're living in Thailand.
That's right.
Yeah, yeah. Which exactly in Thailand?
So I live in Krabi in the south.
Krabi? Can you type it?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. Krabi.
What about
Yeah.
you? What city do you live in?
Yes, I am living in Ho Chi Minh City. Do you know that?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah, actually, oh no, I wanted to go to Thailand for traveling. So can you recommend me some places that I should visit?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
So, in the north, Chiang Mai is very beautiful.
Chiang
Um,
Mai.
yeah, I'll write it down.
Yeah.
So there's lots of beautiful mountains and temples in Chiang Mai. In the south, Krabi is actually very beautiful.
Yeah.
I live near many beaches that are great, and the weather at the moment is good. In the summertime, it's the rainy season, so it's not great. But December, January, February is nice, and the water is very clear. So a lot of people
Uh,
visit Phuket.
oh, visit to what? Oh,
Phuket,
for Phuket.
yeah,
Oh,
this is
I see.
very popular for tourists, but I have never been to Phuket. But Chiang Mai is
Yes.
beautiful.
Oh, okay. Mm, so I thought you have been to many places in Thailand.
Just a few, just a few.
Just a few.
Yeah, I've been to
Yeah,
Bangkok a few times. Bangkok is a fun city, but I
yeah.
prefer living closer to the beach where it's a bit quieter.
Yes. Oh, actually, my hometown is a beach city.
Yeah,
So
wonderful.
maybe you can visit sometimes.
I really hope I can go to Vietnam this year. Yeah.
Yes. So how about the pandemic in Thailand right now?
Mhm. Yeah,
Yes.
so where I am at the moment, it's not too bad because there's not very many people in Krabi, but in
Yeah.
Bangkok, there's a lot of cases. Uh,
Uh-huh.
but in general, in Thailand, it's not too bad. There's not as many cases as the summer, for example, and there's not very many restrictions at the moment.
Restrictions.
Yeah, so restrictions, things you're not allowed to do. So there's not a lot of restrictions.
Restrictions.
Yeah.
Okay. So can tourists visit Thailand now?
Yes, they can. You just have to get a test before and after you enter the country, and you just have to wait for the results of your test before you can start moving around Thailand. But yeah, you can
I
use
see.
it only takes a day.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I've been vaccinated. Second vaccinated.
Great, yeah, second vaccine.
Yeah. Yes, but I recently I got COVID.
Oh
Yeah, I
no.
still got COVID. Yeah, but it just lasts for about 5 days,
Okay.
and yeah, I'm good now.
Good, good. Was
Yeah.
it did you feel very sick when you had it?
Uh, mm, I'm sorry. Was I
W-
feel
Yeah, did you feel very sick when you had COVID?
very sick? Oh yeah. Not actually. It's like a normal fever. Yeah,
Right.
I have a sore throat. I
Mm-hmm.
have something in my nose.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
it's
Oh,
blocked.
something in my nose. I don't know the word.
Sure. You can say a blocked nose, or like if you can't breathe through your nose.
Yeah. But blocked nose. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and I have a cough.
Mhm.
Yeah, and I have fever. Then in the last period, I can't smell anything.
Oh no.
Yeah, people said that if you are in the final period of the COVID, you won't smell anything. So that's a good sign that you're going to be better.
Oh, great. Yeah, you're nearly out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
And could you still taste your food?
yeah. Luckily I can taste my food, so I can eat my favorite food.
Good, great.
Yeah,
You're feeling all better now.
yeah. I am.
Perfect, perfect. And what do you do? Is Ho Chi Minh City your hometown, or did you move there?
Yeah, actually, my hometown is next to Ho Chi Minh City, which called Vũng Tàu City. Yeah, it is a beach city, and I moved to Ho Chi Minh City for my studying. Yeah,
Right.
yeah, I am a second year student in Ho Chi Minh in university right now,
Great, great. What
and yeah, I am majoring in human resource management.
great, super. So do you want to work in that field when you graduate?
Maybe I mean it's in the future, so I'm not sure about the future because to be honest right now I don't know that if I like that field or not. Just yeah, just I can I mean when I choose the major I just feel that oh maybe it's suitable for me because I'm not sure. Yeah.
Right. Okay, you still have lots of time to decide, right? You have 2 more years.
Yeah, it is. How
Great.
about you? So, what do you do now?
Yeah, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm teaching on Cambly full time.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, this
Wow,
is
that's great.
this is my job. Yeah.
Yes. So, like in the past, what's your major?
Oh, so I did journalism in college.
Your generation,
Journalism.
generation,
Uh-huh.
and then you realize that you love teaching more.
Exactly. Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah,
I worked as a journalist for a little while, not for very
yeah,
long, but I didn't like it at all. I didn't enjoy it.
yeah.
Um, I really enjoyed my course and learning about it, but when I was in the job, no, it wasn't for me. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
did a few different things, and then finally in April, I came to Thailand and started teaching.
I see. So maybe in the future I can find my real passion.
Exactly. It can take time.
I want to ask you that I read in your bio that you taught English and Irish.
That's right.
Yeah, so I don't know the difference between English and Irish. So can you explain it?
Yeah, so the difference is they're two completely different languages.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, so it's like the difference between Vietnamese and Spanish, for example.
Oh,
They're
I thought Irish speak English.
we speak both.
Yeah, so Irish is I see. Yeah, so Irish is a totally different language. Oh my god.
Totally different.
Yeah, but like I was wrong because I thought that Irish speak English. That means English is a mother tongue of Irish. It's like England or American.
Yeah, yeah. So our first language used to be Irish, but then
Ah,
after we were after the UK came in and colonized, right? Then they made everyone speak English. So now most people in Ireland speak English as their first language, and we all
ah.
learn Irish in school. So when you're 5 until you're 18, you learn Irish in school, and some families speak it at home, some don't.
I got it. Wow, interesting. So can you teach me how to say hello in Irish?
Sure. So you say dia gwich.
Deal with,
Yeah, dia gwich.
deal with,
Great. And it's spelled like this.
deal with, deal with.
Dia gwich. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah. How to say goodbye in Irish?
Goodbye, you say slán.
Slan.
Slán.
Oh my god, that's lovely. How to say thank you?
Gurav mahagush.
Oh my god, it's a long
It's a
sentence.
long way.
Yeah.
So it looks like this. Gurav mahagush.
Goran Maskan.
Gurav mahagush. It's quite a
Oh my
hard
god.
language to learn.
Yeah. It's kind of hard. It also so Irish you you so like the way to pronounce each words in Irish. So
Mhm.
is that just call out the alphabet and you know the rules how to pronounce the word, or is it unlogic like English? Like maybe you look at the word and you guess how to pronounce, but that's not the right way.
Right. So we have a similar alphabet, but it's not exactly the same. Like we
Yeah.
don't have the letter K or J or V. So for example, the letters BH sound like V in Irish.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ah.
And MH sounds like W. So there's a lot of different sounds. Um, but once you understand what the letters sound like in Irish, then it's pretty consistent when you're reading it.
Ah. Oh, okay, I got it. So it's like some other languages like Vietnamese or Thailand.
Yeah, right. So Thai is a very difficult language. It's
So
completely
can
different.
you speak Thailand?
Oh, and
Can you
Nitnoy,
speak Thai a little bit?
a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Um, is Vietnamese difficult to learn? Do you think for a non-native speaker?
Mm, no, I don't think so because yeah, we just learn the alphabet and we just know how to pronounce the alphabet and we collab it together and yeah, we can speak anything. Maybe we don't know the meaning, but we know how to read that word. So
Hey,
yeah, for me it's not hard like English.
right, good,
Yeah.
good. Hopefully, I'll try and learn some Vietnamese before I visit Vietnam this year.
Yeah. So you taught English in the past
Yes,
before teaching on Cambly?
yeah, I used to teach in a high school here in Thailand.
Yeah.
Um, so they were 13 years old and 18 years old. I had two groups.
So did you find it easier than teach on Cambly?
Um, no, not necessarily easier because the classes were really big. I had
Yeah.
45 students in one class. And for
Uh,
example, they were all 13-year-old boys. So 45 13-year-old boys, very hard to manage, right?
yeah.
So with adults, it's a lot easier because adults who are here want to learn English, whereas
Mm.
sometimes students don't want to learn so much English.
Yes. So
Yeah,
it
but
is it's harder. It's harder to teach children.
I think so. Yeah, it takes a lot more energy. You have to be very animated, and you need a lot of games and activities and resources. But often adults just want to have a conversation.
Yes. So do the children is good. Like did that make you frustrating sometimes?
Sometimes because they were teenagers, so
Nasty?
yeah, yeah, sometimes.
Yeah.
But most of the time it was fine and they were good and they followed the instructions, but
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yeah, I got it. And
Yeah.
so we just have a few minutes. So it's really nice talking to you, and thank you so much for this conversation.
Yeah, thank you so much for calling. I hope we can speak again.
Yeah, I hope to see you soon. And goodbye. Take care.
Have a good weekend. Take care.
Yeah, have a good weekend. Thank you.